Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to log in and use Stremio on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. We're going to hop over to the dashboard and we're going to be navigating over to Stremio application. So you find Stremio right here. Click on it to launch and give it a second. So now that the application is launched, you find this toggle on the screen saying link account. So you provide a QR code. So you scan this QR code and then log into your Stremio account on your smartphone or smart device, or it could be another device which you have your account logged in. If you do not have your account logged in on any device, then what you're going to do is simply to pull up the camera, scan the QR code, and then get into the account onboarding process. So just point your camera and then click on the link or scanning the QR code. So when that is done, and make sure you do this within the 5-minute window. So you're given 5 minutes to ensure this link is reset. So before the link is reset, scan the code and then you're going to find a page on your smartphone. So on your smartphone, you have a user panel login. So you can log in with Facebook, you can log in with Apple, you can use your email and password to sign in, or if you do not have an account, as I was saying, you could just sign up using your email address. So click on sign up with email, and all you need to do is enter your email. So I'm entering DaveTech, and then you set a password. So it's also recommended that you could just autofill and put a strong password. When that is done, just accept the terms and policies and you're good to go. So you could sign up and head over to a remote login. There you find the app responding on the TV and you see that you have scanned the QR code, you have logged into your application, and now you can access all of this. So from Hoppers to Mercy to Sinners, the latest movies are here. You could access all of this on the Stremio app. So just navigate, you go to library at the left panel to see what you've previously watched, to continue the movies you've started, and you could go to discover to find new movies. So on the discover page, you find movies popular default. So you could scroll through these categories, look at these movies. They're the most recent recommendations from Stremio. So you can also head over to home where you see a categorization of movies, series, TV shows, and all of these which are trending at the moment. If you have something specific you're looking for, you can use the search button and just search for the movie with the keyboard. So on Google TV, just search for what you're looking for and you find it there. So that's the Stremio app in brief. If you found this insightful, if it was informative, just hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content.